With the number of craft products being launched daily, there's no limit on your creativity. Best part is, I get to review them and share my experience with you. Hi, my name is Michelle Holthausen and I'm the editor and publisher of Creative Hobbies Magazine and Craft Studio. Today I'd like to talk to you about the new Pilot fiber tip marker range called Pintor. Now what makes Pintor unique is the fact that it allows us to write on multiple surfaces using one marker. So you can use the same marker on fabric, leather, wood, plastic, glass, to name but a few. It is available in a fine and medium tip marker and has a beautiful array of colors for you to choose from. Today I want to show you how to use the markers on canvas. What you'll need is stencil glue, 3D liquid drops, 4 canvases painted black, and a stencil of your choice. First, we're going to position our canvases. I want these canvases to be spread next to each other so I can position my stencil over the black canvas. Make sure that your edges line up on all 4 sides. Next step is to spray your stencil with the stencil glue. Shake vigorously. Spray the stencil glue on the back of the stencil. Once you are happy with the positioning of your stencil, press down lightly with your hands to secure all loose ends. To get your marker ready, there's a few steps that you need to do. First of all, you need to shake your marker before you start. When you open up the tip of the marker, you'll see that it is white. Use your paper plate and press down on the tip of the marker until you actually see the ink coming through. Once your tip is saturated, you can start marking. Trace the outsides first to avoid any bleeding under the stencil. Once you're done, lift your stencil carefully. If you have any areas that you feel need touching up, you can do that now, or you can continue to decorate it with 3D drops. And there you have it, wall decor made easy. Thank you for watching this short tutorial and I hope you enjoyed it. If you would like to see us use the Pintor products on other surfaces, go to our YouTube channel of Pilot.